All right, reassembling the Drracer. We're going to start with the top rail. Those 3 screws all line up. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put the internals back in. When putting the bolt in, we're going to want to make sure that the screw holes for the actual pump handle line up enough that we can put one in. And then if there's any problem with the breech plug, we got to make sure that's clear so that that seats all the way in. Then the spring is already in. We can install the sear, and then we can install the ASA and power tube. Line those up and put in this short screw. Attach the bridge up on the front. Okay. And then we can attach the lower. One screw in the back, one screw in the front. Good. I'm going to install the barrel and the pump. Okay. Find the spot where we left the bolt and put in the 2 screws for those. All right, reinstalling the grip. I like to put the bolt in first, line that up with the hole it's going to go into in the lower. Grab my long Allen key. And then it's going to get snug, and I'm just going to go a 1/4 turn past that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the bottom line adapter. With its 2 set screws. Okay. And then I can install the ASA plug. And plug the macro line into the elbow fitting. And there we go. Now we are all assembled. Hope you like it. Have fun.